Here are the old filters. Nice, pretty black and brown. That is a fuel filter that's been run since the factory. It's at 2,100,000 miles, and you can see new, they are white. So I think we'll definitely feel a difference here. So while I was installing this into the new housing, you can see I just shattered it right through because it is not as strong of a plastic, but it looks as if the old one, once you remove this, can be interchanged. So I'm going to use this one, which means I didn't even have to remove the pressure regulator from it in the first place. So, my bad. I've used the stock top and put it into the new bottom end and connected the hose to the pump and connected the wires right back where they were. Easy, easy, and everything fits just like it's supposed to. So let's put it all back together.